The festival of light is here. Diwali begins with Dhanteras, a day when we honor wealth and prosperity by buying gold. It's more than just a purchase, it's centuries old tradition that anchors our financial faith. But have you stopped and asked yourself, why gold specifically? Why does this single yellow metal holds more trust than any other paper currency or modern investment? The answer lies in gold's fundamental qualities, and those qualities are precisely why the future of wealth is no longer physical. Gold has secured our family's wealth for centuries for three key reasons. Let's look at how they compare to the modern counterpart, Bitcoin. 1. Scarcity. The limited supply. Gold is valuable because it's scarce, it's hard to mine, and that difficulty ensures its worth. But even gold has risks. What if tomorrow we found a huge new supply on Earth? Or what if Elon Musk finds mountains of it on Mars? Or if those old fables of alchemy came true, gold supply would suddenly increase. Bitcoin is different. Its supply is permanently capped at 21 million coins by mathematical code. That number can never be changed, increased or faked. It's not just limited, it's fixed forever. Authenticity, the trust factor. To buy gold, you have to trust the jeweler, the bank, the hallmarking body. We need them to confirm the purity. Is it 24 karat or 22 karat or 18 karat? This is human trust. Bitcoin removes the middleman completely. Every single transaction is recorded on a public, transparent ledger that is verified by a global network of computers using cryptography. Anyone can see the network activity online. Its purity and authenticity are guaranteed by maths, not by people. The future of wealth is not just about security. It's about freedom and resilience. We have seen gold rates continuously climb higher, often due to the fears of global recession or inflation. People, from individuals to big players, turn to it when traditional markets look shaky. Even Warren Buffett, known for criticizing gold, reportedly shifted his portfolio, holding hundreds of millions of dollars in gold assets when the global economy felt unstable. He wanted safety. Bitcoin offers a modernized form of that safety, upgraded for the digital world. Try carrying a crore worth of gold across an international border. You cannot. It's risky. Your wealth is stuck in a safe or a locker. But with Bitcoin, you can hold millions of dollars of wealth in your head simply by remembering that 12-word key phrase. You can send it to anyone, anywhere in minutes without asking anyone for permission. No bank can stop it. That is true financial portability and freedom. I want to be absolutely clear. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. My job is to simplify this complex space and show you the evolution of money. This Dhanteras, as you make your investments, remember this, you don't have to reject gold. Gold is a foundation, but digital gold is a new chapter. It's about diversifying your security for the next 100 years. What do you think is the biggest similarity between the physical gold in your locker and the digital gold on the internet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And for more clear and simple financial insights, make sure you follow Crypto with Akash. Happy Diwali, happy Dhanteras.